Let's go. Look at that. Just to not to make the way back because it's pretty long. So yes, guys, I'm gonna walk these stairs. Look. All right. Here I am. Just did the stairs, and here's a soccer field where people play soccer the weekends because today is, I guess, because today is Monday, guys. So I think people just, uh, I just made that stage. I was right there. Yeah. I keep going. Well, I just make it back to the main part, guys. To the main place. Yeah. Wow, it was not that long. I'm again in here. Oh wow. Yeah. Um, what's happened when you want to do something and kind of feel like, hey, I got to do this day. I don't want to wait to tomorrow. Mm. That is surprise, guys, because as you can see, it's nobody, no people walking around. But yeah, look at that. I just made it again to the main place, to the main plaza, to the center. Oh, to the church. Look, another one. Some businesses in here. Yeah, I see a boulevard right there. I'm gonna go walk right there. So let's go. What attractions about this place? Well, they have some parks for the children. I don't know if, I guess then maybe they can make a fair. You see here, and now I'm going walking behind of the main plaza. This is the park, recreative park, which is cool. And then there is even a church, another one, and another school. But I think this time it's a kindergarten, guys. It is the park. Yeah. Chile used to yourself to relax and buy food or something. You know, or even have, yeah, that's a kindergarten. There's another alley and another alley. There's like three or one of them. Yeah. Cute kindergarten, guys. Look at that. Wonder what's in here. but it's not much. It's just like houses and stuff. Yeah. Um, yes, I feel like mm, interesting architecture, and I think we're going around this garden before I go because I think it will be start raining and even more hard. I think right now in Mexico, guys, is has been a storms and good fronts and even storms. So what we had in there, that's a dog. Let's go see that. Guys, just please follow, stay tuned, hit the thumbs up if you like this type of walks. I like to do this because I guess, yeah, look, there is a dog. I think it's pretty normal in Mexico, you will find some dogs, especially in maybe kind of like remote areas. Because in the main cities, oh, my bad, it's as well the same, but anyways, that's the that's the nature, that's the view, guys, of it, and I just make it that way. Yeah, look, guys, there is the area of the power lines. You got one in here, and it looks like there is even a bridge in there. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you that. Let's keep going over. Hi guys, so now I'm in the street, and oh, it's the same. It's just the same street that I did the first. Wow. But it was another boulevard, and I think we just finished with this video, guys. Was pretty was pretty nice, actually. You know. And look at this. I just making here. Was where I start the video. I was in the middle of the video. There is another boulevard. I was up there. But wow, I didn't expect that. I think it will be more things to see, like more streets. But regardless of, I like it. It was nice being here today for this time. It's almost an hour, guys. And you see that? Beautiful. I love it. Some stores. You can walk over there and you're gonna walk. See what's going on. Going here, guys. There's even the cops. Which is like, hey, in a place like this, You have to be kind of like security somehow. You know, we have here a market. So yes, I'm going here in this like a alley, guys. Look at this. Take a look. It's passing cars and now sidewalks. So you got to be careful. 2 cents. It just roads without pavement. Takes you to the place again where as I was before, like the lake. Oh, finally a sidewalk. Yeah, let's go. I just did that. And you got the constructions. It's okay. Guys, I have been all the time with my hat. No sweat at all. No heat. I don't feel heated. I even feel cold. Got cold. Like wow. Because that's the weather today. Even if it is spring. Yeah, around the spring. Spring is here. But yeah, the weather in this world tends to be crazy. Let's keep going, and I'm gonna show you this side of the road. But yes, guys, it is just like you're on a sidewalk because all sidewalks are around. And then I go to this walk down these houses and more houses. And but yeah, hey, I like to do this type of travels because you can see the reality of how life is really like in this place to used to visit, to live, to I don't know, people do their life, raise their families, and pretty sure it will be excellent for different people, different lives, different type of persons. But it's not an inconvenience for me that come here and explore, record, film it. It's enough, guys. It seems like because up there was a boulevard. When I started the video, was a boulevard, and I don't know. Oh. That's the buses that take you over here. That's wide. Yeah. What's a boulevard that I seems pretty interesting going that way. Here, look at that, guys. I just making this alley and this road, which is nothing around, just people, no sidewalk. Fuck. I'm sorry about that, but because this can be dangerous at all, and it started raining again a little bit, a lightly rain showers. But we are gonna go and see what it looks like. It is a knob right there, look at that. Yeah, people just was looking, and but that's normal, guys. That's why kind of like gonna happen, because, well, I don't know you guys how you think about it, but myself, I'm gonna walk in this sidewalk. Look. So now I'm here, guys. This is the nature. This is the woods. You can go in there. But it's not access, and by the way, it's just so wet and so moody, so you will end it dirty and stuff like that. Here it is, just road. I'm walking here. I just feel curiosity about this one, and I say, hey, let's go there, explore. But now that I'm here, guys, I'm gonna walk more along, because it's the same. It's just a road, a highway. It's my highway. There's even a horse right there. You can see that? There's even a horse. Bro, whoa. Yeah. It's enough space for you to pause here, but honestly I don't recommend you, especially when it's raining. The rain just stops, it's perfect to walk. But if it's raining, man, and you want going come here, I don't know, you smell me get wide. So that's a knob right there. Look, what the guy in the bike is going up. And in here, having a walk. It's just the roads, just a walk, no more things here, no more stuff. Just walking cars. I just check it out, the map, guys, and it is like these small alleys, these narrow roads that lead you to the colonies, to the neighborhoods, where it's no exits, you know. So you don't have to go until there and to find out. I already know that. Look, guys, that's awesome. Pretty good, pretty similar as well. I'm going walking here. I'm pretty sure this is another village, another municipality, because there is passing vans, buses, back and forth. So I guess that's it. And look, that's a long way to go. Look at that, guys. Whoa. So I'm gonna walk a little bit more and then show you what is it like. There is a hotel, guys. That's a hotel. Oh. Somehow it's things, stones in the road that I used to step in. My feet like get twisted, and it's like, oh, what was that? But look, yes, guys, I'm going here. You can see that. Well, I think because it's Monday, not people at all walking and see what's going on, you know. So yeah, here they growing some plants that they sell to the another municipalities. And yeah, I'm still on the same road. I'm going there, and let's see how is it. But this is a kind of long one. So we made it this long, guys. Since back there, this is a store. Food. Buy drinks. If you're hungry or thirsty. But hey, just first thoughts and first impressions. Not many restaurants, no public restaurants, and this like boulevard. Just traffic and houses. Dogs barking outside. Yeah, that's it. Suddenly, you go walking and you spot a restaurant, a place where you can food. You know, I didn't expect that. I just came walking here, and suddenly a dog just ran into me, like barking, and it was quick, and immediately I was like, oh, what? But just like that, I don't know what I recommend you to do. Well, just in case, just like talk to the dogs, because they won't bite you, you know. But and the thing that I did is just scare him back. Not like, hey, back up, dog. Come on. And that's it, man.